All right, so workbench activity bar visible controls the visibility of the activity bar in the workbench. Very straightforward. If you set it to false, it goes like this. And if you set it to false, you can still get to the activity bar by pressing their shortcuts, the equivalent shortcuts. So, for example, extensions are Shift Command X. The file explorer is Shift Command E. This is Shift Command F. Shift Command. I don't know these by memory. Shift Command D. So Shift Command X, for example, and Shift Command E. So we can set this to false, and you can just go Shift Command X to switch to the extensions, Shift Command E to switch to the Explorer. And I mean, I guess that if you have VS Code like really nailed down and you want that little bit of extra space, which is very useful, by the way, this is actually a good setting to set to false. And it forces you to memorize what's there. Now, the only problem is that you can't really see, like if you install an extension that adds an extra view there in the activity bar, you can't really get to that, right? Unless you know the keyboard shortcut, if there is one. Now, I'm not entirely sure that if an extension installs a new view in the activity bar, I'm not entirely sure that it will automatically install a keyboard shortcut to get to that. So I don't know. For now, actually, you know what? For now, I'm going to leave this one set to false because I don't have that many views anyway in the activity bar. And this will force me to memorize the keyboard shortcuts. Now, this is probably a setting I will be going back and forth on because I want to make sure that I know about all the views that show up there. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as false.